Hello everyone, Huawei is sending the stable HarmonyOS 2.2 updates for 27 devices including smartphones and smart TVs from both Huawei and Honor brand. These 25 devices have been running the MUI software before upgrading over the HarmonyOS. The new operating system comes with various new features and user interface that provides a seamless user experience for the consumers. However, both MUI and existing HarmonyOS tester can now install this major upgrade via both My Huawei and Software Update section. The 25 Huawei devices receiving stable HarmonyOS update are Huawei P20, P20 Pro, Mate 10, Mate 10 Pro, Mate 10 Porsche Design, Mate RS Porsche Design, Nova 4, Enjoy 10s, Enjoy 10 Plus, Honor 9X, 9X Pro, 20s, Play 4T Pro, 10, V10, Huawei Smart Screen S55-inch, S65-inch, S75-inch, S Pro 65-inch, S Pro 75-inch, V55i, V65i, V65 Premium Edition, V65 2021, and V75 2021 models. Let's have a look at the changelog for beta tester. This update fixes the problem of screen delay in the incoming call scenes, abnormal Bluetooth connection device in some scenarios, and optimizes the unlocking animation with the display effect of some game interface. For MUI users, it brings new home screen, control panel, service center, smart folder, and more to provide a new user experience. However, Huawei so far has started the HarmonyOS 2.2 for almost all the eligible devices and moving rapidly to conclude the HarmonyOS 2.2 testing in China. But this OS is yet to reach the global market and there is no confirmation when it will actually make its way to the consumers. That's it for now. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit HC Newsroom.